Hi, this is Anne. Today I just want to give you a quick tip on how I store my acrylic paint, the craft paints. For me, it's very useful when I want to use it. If you need to open this, it's always a struggle, and you need to get it out of the pot. And I sometimes take my brush and then I dip red into yellow and everything, and I make a mess. So what I usually do is I bought myself a few of these bottles at a plastic shop. You can see it's like those ones you can put anything in, from tomato sauce or whatever floats your boat. So what I do is I put this in this container. Okay, I won't lie, it's sometimes a struggle to get this into this, especially if the paint is a little bit on the thick side. This one is a little bit more fluid. It goes into that easier, but I prefer to use this one as its coverage is better than this one. But you get craft paint everywhere in different countries, different makes, so I'm not sure which you get where. But what I do is I put it in this container, and then I just take a piece of a plastic bag and I cut it. That's when I don't use it for a while. I just cut it for I will just show you. Oh, now I'm struggling. I just make myself a little one like that, and then I take it depends on how big the bottle is. You can take 1 or 2 marbles, just throw it in there. It's much easier to mix, and then you can just put the plastic on top and screw the lid on. So what I do is, when I use it for a while, or when I use it, I take the plastic off and I screw on my lid, cut a small opening for me on top because they are usually sealed there, and then you can just pour out as many as you like. And when you're finished and you know you're going to put it away for a while, and I just put the plastic over. It's very hot where I live, so everything dries out very quickly, and there you go. And if you need to mix this, I don't know if you can hear the marbles inside, but it's very easy with the marbles inside. It's a lifesaver for me. So I hope you found this tip useful. The only thing I do then is I write like this one is 75 True Yellow Heritage. So I make a H and I write the number and I write the color. So if this bottle is empty or it's near empty and I like the color and I want to get some of it more, I just know what to get. And this one I throw away, or I reuse it for something if I want to store something in it. But this is very helpful for me, and it's especially when you're giving what do you call it, workshops. Then the people can just take out as much as they like, as some go into another color with, a red stick or something, and go into your color and mess everything up. So I hope that's helpful, and see you.